Advances in science and mathematics. The Renaissance was a time of development and new ideas. Many scientists created new methods and techniques. Before the Renaissance, most mathematic and scientific beliefs were based on Greek and Roman beliefs. In the Renaissance, people started doubting those beliefs and doing their own experiments. One person who had a major impact during this time period was Leonardo da Vinci. Not only was he an artist, but he was also an engineer and scientist. Da Vinci studied anatomy, geometry, engineering, sound, motion, and architecture. He was the first person to draw maps from a bird's eye view. Another item that Da Vinci contributed was bridges. He designed many bridges as well as weapons and the idea of an underwater suit. He was a major influence to the growth of science and mathematics during the Renaissance. Math was also important during the Renaissance. Girolamo Cardano was among some of the major mathematicians. He studied probability and solved difficult algebraic equations. He was an avid gambler, so he wanted to learn more about his chances of winning. Andreas Vesalius was an extremely famous anatomist during the Renaissance. He performed many dissections and made charts to show what he learned. Before his time, not many people knew how the human body actually worked. Through his dissections, he was able to learn much more about blood circulation and nerve systems. His charts and mappings of the human body were widely copied. Nicholas Copernicus was a famous mathematician and astronomer. He created a heliocentric model of the universe with the sun at the center instead of the earth. At this time, showing something like this was controversial. It had always been assumed the sun and all the other planets revolved around the earth. In the Renaissance, many old ideas were trashed. One example of this would be that people used to think that everything was centered on the earth, but astronomers proved that theory wrong by discovering that the earth was going around the sun and not the other way around. To conclude, the Renaissance has contributed many ideas to modern math and science. Without this time period, our modern-day life would not be as advanced as it is today.